The future is about little things, and little things create magic and cost almost nothing. Here is a business idea that you could launch in San Diego tomorrow and would be a profitable startup, okay? I'll let you into a secret. So 30% of all the lorries in Chile are empty. Put up your hands if you knew that. They're empty. They're running empty. We are simply carrying air. We can sort this out with an app like it just requires an Uber type app, and you'd sort it tomorrow. Very, very simple to do, to have a platform where instantly space can be booked as easily as an Uber cab, and you can get stuff moved for almost nothing from one place to another using empty capacity. I'm just saying again that if we want to tackle something huge like global warming, if you want to do something huge like restore confidence for a customer who's seen disruption, often it's the smallest things